in the canyon. Check mail.
Good mail. Hawk, get on the target. Missile off the rail.
Zero 06, target set. Charlie Mike.
1-1, we're going to take another pass.
06 negative. Let's stay on mission and find the mortars.
Roger. How are you on fuel?
Not at bingo yet, running about 800 pounds. Let's continue to acquire and engage these targets.
1-1, roger.
Come on, I'm getting peppered.
Coming around. Wait for it. Fire. Hawk, we got squirters. I'm breaking left. Clean them up.
RPG, take up that position.